Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my IPSY Ultimate, and this one was a little wee bit disastrous because I have a broken item that literally got everywhere, but I think everything else is okay apart from the broken item. I reached out, they already said they were going to send me another one, so I think everything's okay, but I will show you guys what happened because I'm like, oh my god. But I am unboxing my IPSY Ultimate for the day, and that is the $50 biggest IPSY box that you can get. I did have to go through and kind of see all my items, but I did want to go ahead and show you everything. So I got a good peek at everything, but I haven't like pulled each item out and, you know, examined it, if you will. So let me go ahead and grab this box and let's get into it. So unfortunately, the state of my box is, it's a little crazy, but nonetheless, we're gonna get to it. So the item that I had that was broken was the Go-To Face Hero Oil. That's the state of it right there. So it was really shattered and apparently was not packaged in any way. It was just in there. So I don't know if this will be a problem for multiple people, but literally this is the state of it. Wow. Okay, so I made sure to get everything out. By the way, these little paper cups are the cutest, but I didn't have anything else to put it in, so I just put it in that. So there were, I definitely could tell right away. Look at that. I think the box got the most of it and the foam was definitely oily, but a lot of products in here did have oil on them. Luckily, I don't think anything was like damaged. I will go ahead and show you the bag because I did have to wipe oil off of it, but it doesn't seem to have done anything bad. And this bag is also really cute. The spoilers for next month, however, I'm like, oh, I do not like those. But you know what's great? I have loved every IPSY bag that I've gotten for months and months and months. And I'm not even a big makeup bag person, but they've been so cute. So one every now and then is totally fine. This one is so adorable, but like, let me just say again, the leopard, the marble, the pink, they've been so cute. The one with the little constellations on it, so many cute bags, and this one is so adorable. I love this. This is like super cute. I could definitely use this as a clutch. Even the little tassel has the studs on it. It's so cute. I love the colors of it. It's very different. It's even got a little pocket on the inside, but definitely love this bag like 100%. Very adorable, right up my alley. So let's go ahead and just show you everything that I got. First off, my little pamphlet got a little soaked. Oh dear. So the Go-To Face Hero Oil was a deluxe sample. The full size is 30 mils for $34. I'm not going to sort through the glass to find out, but I think the little one was 10 mils. So 1/3 of the size, not too bad. About 11 bucks for it. So not terrible. I do see that there are quite a few deluxe sizes in this one, and I do have to say those don't excite me very much, and I know that that will not be the case for everyone. Some people love to try miniatures of a ton of products so that they try more items, whereas personally I would have given up, you know, 3 deluxe ones to get one more full size. That's just me personally though, and I'm sure I will still have a great value here. I got the Cella La Vie eyeshadow palette deluxe. I'm gonna take a look at this and see if I would like to keep it. Oh, it's got an interesting packaging. It's a little chunky, but it's definitely pretty. I don't remember if I've tried anything from Cella. I think maybe a brow product. So this is what it looks like on the inside. The brush they provide actually has like a foam eyeshadow applicator on one end, and you can pop out these little shadows, so that's cool. I guess you could kind of mix and match if you had multiples of theirs. So this guy goes for $45. No ma'am. I mean, these are big shades, don't get me wrong, but it's 4 colors. I don't think that I want to give this away because I don't know the quality. However, for $45, I would assume it should be pretty good. But you know what? Let's go ahead and swatch this guy. Worst comes to worst, if I use it and don't like it, I will pass it along to someone who might like it more. Ooh. The mattes are creamy though. No preconceived notion because again, I don't know the quality of this, but those are some of the shades. Let's do a bit of swatching. That first shade looks like it would be so powerful. I mean, it's pretty, but it didn't really like pop right at first. I had to build it a little bit. All right, so here are the shades. Obviously very wearable, very versatile, especially if you are a warm, neutral person. I mean, obviously this is right up your alley. I do think just based off of the swatch. Granted, I haven't used this yet. I do think $45 is too high. I think maybe a $20 price point would be right on par with this, but I will give it a shot. Who knows? I could fall in love with this guy and be telling you guys it's the best thing ever. So we're going to see. All right, what's up next? We got the 111 Skin. So we got a rose gold brightening facial treatment sheet mask. That's a mouthful. And then we also got the black diamond eye mask. So this is what that one looks like. I have used the rose gold before. If you guys have never seen it, I have a video that's like $1,000 full face. It's like basically all my most expensive products, and I use this, and I have to say, like, it was nice, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't like amazing. I just felt like it was okay. But this one is meant to be like a skincare routine item where, you know, it helps to treat your skin over time as well. It says that these two go for a $47 value. Would I pay $47 for these two? Absolutely not. And I actually passed one of these along to a friend at work who loves skincare, and she wasn't really impressed with it either. So I was just kind of like, I think we're on the same page. Good, but not worth the price in my humble opinion. When it comes to really expensive skincare and I was shopping for 111, I would probably invest in a serum versus something like this that is like a quick little fix, because, you know, I want something that's going to last and really cause a difference in my skin. I'm really excited to try the black diamond under eye ones, but yeah, I just don't know if I would pay that much for two masks, you know? Next up, we got the Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. So this is the ½ ounce size, which I don't know, it says IPSY exclusive size. I don't remember seeing the size anywhere else, so I think that they're the only ones who sell it, and it goes for $42.50. I do think this serum is really, really good. This particular type of vitamin C is more effective, but not as irritating, and 15% is a really good percentage. So I'm super excited to have this one. I do really like Sunday Riley products. I use either Luna or A+ all the time as my retinol at night, and yeah, I'm really excited to have this one. All right, next up we have something. This is the Library of Flowers Honeycomb Hand Cream. Dry hands happen. Ugh. But don't worry, this Luxe hand cream is here to get you hydrated. It's got shea butter, cocoa butter, plant oils, American small batch perfumery. This is such an ornate box, like it's throwing me off. I don't even know what I'm doing. It's definitely very specially packaged, like it's interesting. I'm not big on the, as I sit here in a floral jumpsuit, I'm not big on florals. I mean, I never make any sense. But you know, like super girly, kind of old-fashioned-y florals typically aren't my thing. So I'm gonna see if I like this scent, because my hands are literally like the scales of, my hands are so scaly. Oh, that's actually really nice. Right now we're all washing our hands so much that we probably all have dry hands. So shout out to IPSY for coming through with that hand washing moisture. This smells really good. Oh my god. I really like this. The smell is very like almost sensual. Is that, like, I don't usually use that word to describe things. Oh my god, I've been talking about this hand cream for so long. I need to shut up. But it's so nice. Okay. I love this. I would be that bitch to be like, oh, I don't like the box. I don't like the tube. I don't think I'm gonna like it. And then I'm like, I love it. So next up, we have something from Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Glossy Lip Hydrating Serum in Ruth. There we go. I kind of want to make some kind of joke about, you know, the mature packaging of the hand cream and the name Ruth, but I have nothing witty to say, but you guys get what I'm going for. So this is the packaging. This is a tryout. This kind of goes really well with my lip color here. This feels super nice. I didn't tell you the hand cream goes for $20, did I? This lip goes for $26. It is the lip product you won't ever want to leave your home without. It has vitamin B5 and time-released hyaluronic microspheres to help minimize the appearance of fine lines for fuller, younger lips. Okay. Well, I'll be using this daily. Now, I really do like the way this looks, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's got this like light taupey nude shade, and it's got this really pretty, almost golden looking shimmer in it. It's actually really pretty. So I really like this on top of the lip I have on, which is, by the way, Laura Mercier, and it is called Beige in Time. I actually really like this. I think I might have gotten one of these previously, and I don't remember now. I'm gonna have to make sure. Up next, we got another lip product. This one is from Flesh. This is Fleshy Lips in the shade Hungry. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. And I actually used some of my IPSY points recently to select another Flesh lip. So hopefully I like this formula, and that one will be good too. So I like their packaging. It's a little bit more minimal, really cute. You see the color on the bottom, or no, that's the top. So here is what the component looks like. Really cute. We'll give it a swatch. Okay, this is like my theme for the day. Like pinky, nude, slightly warm. There you go. So this is a really pretty color. As you can see, as it's similar to what I'm wearing. I think I will like this. It looks like a creamier, hydrating formula for this lip. These go for $18, so not too bad. It's a sheer reddish pink tint, amps up your natural lip color for a gorgeous, your lips but better effect. And the rich, creamy formula, it makes your lips supple and smooth. I'm sorry. It has rosehip, lavender, and white tea. Okay, and it says it doubles as a blush color too if you want to tap and blend. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I think this is a really nice combination with my Thrive one. I think this is a little oily. This is the IPSY Glow Mist with argan oil, and I actually have this and I really like it. You just want to give it a good shake before you use it, but I really like IPSY products like the highlight. I've been using this in my skincare routine. Sometimes too, if I'm putting on a foundation that's going to be a little bit more matte, I'll spray a good bit of this on before, so pat, 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 and then put my foundation on, and it helps give just a little bit more life and luminosity to it. So I really like that, and that goes for $15, so not a bad price at all. Next we got a brush from Complex Culture. Now I said this last time, their brushes are absolutely stunning, and I really like the couple that I have. I think I have 2 or 3 different brushes from Complex Culture now, and I'm in love, like very much so. Hi, would you guys like to send me more brushes? No, I'm just kidding. But I really, really like their brushes. Beautiful. Ooh, this reminds me of one of the Sigma brushes. So this is the Angle foundation brush. This goes for $35. She's pricey, but look how stunning this brush is. Like, can y'all just replace all my current brushes with these? Like, this is so gorgeous. So it is super, super densely packed. I feel like this would be really nice for blending out a foundation. I don't think it would soak up foundation at all. So I would love to try this really soon. I have on the Vanish today, but I used it with a sponge, so it's a little bit sheerer. I would really love to try these two together and see like what kind of coverage I could get out of that Vanish with this brush. This is such a beautiful brush. I love it so much. I could go on. All right, so now we're getting into the deluxe sizes. We got the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. So this is a scalp scrub. I've said before that I don't know if it was just me, but I feel like the scalp scrub I couldn't get onto my scalp. Somebody suggested using one of those like scrubbing scalp brushes that you can use in the shower. So I'm gonna use both of those and we're gonna see, because my hair is like in need of a wash right now. But that dry shampoo is coming through. At any rate, I'm gonna try that with the scalp massager and see if that makes a difference. I did like using it by itself, so I feel like with the scrub will be even better. So this of course is a deluxe size. The full size is 246 milliliters for $53. So this is 40 milliliters. So, you know, less than 20% of the full size. So we're gonna call this like maybe a $10 value right here. I'm not gonna worry about doing the math because I don't think a lot of people care, but it is just a deluxe sample. All right, next up we got the okay. So this guy they wrapped up in plenty of bubble wrap, whereas the other product had none. So I'm so confused. Maybe that just like accidentally didn't get wrapped up. I hope that if you guys get it, they had it wrapped up for you. But this is the Nourishing Eye Serum for under eye dark circles. So it's tiny, but because this is meant for the eye area, I think you could definitely use it for quite some time. The full size is 14.79 mils. This is 5 mils, so 1/3. The full size is 35, so this is about a $12 value right here. You know, I'm not super excited for these deluxe samples because I like to really use something long enough to see what it's going to do for me, and with a lot of these you can't really tell. I mean, with the scalp scrub maybe, but with skincare not really. So I put that here. It feels really nice. I'll try it along with my Kopari Starry Eye Balm because I've been loving that, and we'll see how those two go together. The next item, The next item is the broken one in here, which I've already told you is the Go-To Face Hero Oil. Again, about an $11 value for this one, and I do like this product though. I think I have one, and I don't know if I finished it or not, but I really liked it. It's a very good like basic face oil, and their skincare is very much like keep it simple, good ingredients, nothing too crazy in it. And if you want some like simple, reliable skincare, the Go-To is a good one. All right, we've got 2 more deluxe samples. So the next one is the Hey Honey Show Your Glow Colloidal I swear I screw that word up every time. It's a golden honey beauty mask to smooth, firm, and hydrate. Anti-aging. This is a 15 ml size. The full size is 50 mils and goes for $64. So this is probably still a pretty darn good value. It's around a third of the size, so around $20 right here. That's a big value for such a small container. I really like the Hey Honey. I think I had a pill that I had gotten in a subscription box and I really liked it. So I am keen to try this out even though it's a sample. Since it's a mask, I feel like, you know, deluxe sample and a mask is not too bad. And then finally we got one more. This is the You to the People Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Cleanser. So this is definitely a pretty small size, especially for a cleanser. This is 0.5 ounces. The full size is 8 ounces for $36. So this is a very, very small size. It is 1/16 of what you would get in the full size. So a very small one, not a big value at all. But I will say this, for a weekend trip, this is going to be a perfect size to take with you. You can definitely get a few cleanses out of this. So I can definitely see me traveling with this guy. I really like Youth to the People products. I like the cleanser, and I especially love the Adaptogen Moisture Cream. That one is a little richer, creamier. It's got mushrooms in it. It's so good for your skin. So I'm happy to have this. And then I do have one item in here that I used my points to get. So this is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. So that's what this looks like. It is a full size. I think I used 1,800 points to get this, but if you guys subscribe to IPSY, make sure that you are reviewing your products because you get points for every review that you do. So for every one of these products in this box, I can go and leave a review and get points. So make sure you're doing that because they add up, and I always, you know, redeem them for a full-size product that I already know and love. I've used this before and I really like it. So that's the Glam Glow cleanser that I got with my points. All right, so that is the end of the unboxing. Let me know what you thought about my goodies. I mean, apart from the broken item, I can't complain. For the price that I paid for $50, I'm pretty excited. So the things I'm most excited about, I mean, this bag is freaking adorable. I turned out to really love the smell of this hand cream, and my hands look so much better. I'm gonna have to put this in my purse like immediately. Already love the IPSY Glow Mist, so that is a big win for me. I really like the Sunday Riley CEO serum, so super glad to have that one. This Complex Culture brush is like so gorgeous. I can't wait to use it, and very happy to add to my collection. And also 2 lip products that I'm super, super excited about. So even if that was all I got for $50, I feel like that would still be a big win. But we got our face mask, our eye mask, we got a scalp scrub and a cleanser, and a little mask, a broken oil, but they'll replace that, and also this palette. So many good items, and like I got a bag full of sunshine. Wow. So overall, I am very, very happy with my box. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my unboxing. Let me know what you think below. And of course, I will have IPSY linked below if you would like to check it out. As always, I try to remember to do that every single time. If I ever forget, always just let me know and I will pop it in there. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Please leave me a big thumbs up if you like my unboxings. If you're watching and enjoying, please do that, and comment if you have a moment. Subscribe if you haven't already. All of those things will add up to my videos being more successful because YouTube really depends on that now. And you know, if I don't get as many thumbs up, my video may not be shared with people and you may not see it next time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for your support on all my videos. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video.